Number 2, share your video content. Now, a lot of you are probably maybe had just came across my video some kind of way on YouTube or whatever, Google, what have you. Some of you are looking at this video because I shared it to you through an email, post on Facebook, shared some information on Instagram, whatever. I shared the information to you. I'm not just relying on YouTube to deliver this content to you. Some of you are watching this video right now. You know who you are. You know who you are. You're watching this content because I just sent it to you. I just shared it to you, right? So you want to be a master promoter of your content. Put your content on your lead capture pages. Put your content on your social media pages like Facebook or what have you. Share your content on Twitter. Share your content. Just share your content. You know, it's what do they call it now? We're in the social media age. Well, be social. Just be social. Share the information. Guys, you can't just leave it to osmosis for, your videos to get picked up. You want to share it as well. Facebook groups, just share your content. Remember, and you can always direct people to whatever your offer is. I know a lot of people say, well, Steve, I can't make any videos right now because I haven't gotten any results. It's not about results. It's about letting people know who you are and the value that you can bring to them. That's what it's all about. Make a video on why you just joined your business or why you're starting your business. Make a video on what your goal is for your first 30 days, your first 90 days, your first 6 months, your first year. Tell stories. Become a master storyteller. That's what it's all about. Becoming a master storyteller. Okay? It's not about just selling, I want you to buy this so I can get a commission. No, it's about sharing who you are. Just let people in to your world, okay? Once you build that know, like, and trust with people, amazing things can happen. So again, create video content, share your video content, very important, okay? And most importantly, be consistent. That's number 3, be consistent. Number 1, create your video. Number 2, share your videos. Number 3, be consistent. Make videos consistently. As a matter of fact, what I'm doing right now, I'm going through a 90-day challenge where I'm going to challenge myself along with a few of my other friends and business partners. We're going to make a video every day for 90 days. And it might even go further than that, but we're going to start with 90 days starting January 1, which is today, 2019. We're going to make a video and give some kind of value to people every single day, whether it's a recorded video like this, whether it's a live video. We're just going to create video content consistently. Okay, we're going to create videos, we're going to share our videos, and we're going to be consistent, especially through this 90-day challenge, video creation challenge. So I challenge you to do the exact same thing. And kind of give you a little example of how you can promote your content through videos. Because remember, when you make videos, I'm always giving people a call to action at the end of the video. So make sure, like, here's a call to action. Here's an example. And you really want to do this anyway. Right below this video, you want to, like it. Go ahead and like the video. If you like this video, click the like button. If you don't like this video, click the like button anyway, right? So just like the video, okay? Also, you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is important because I got some really cool stuff I'm going to be doing in terms of how to create better content, how to create killer videos, how to really take your brand to a whole nother level where people just keep coming at you, right? With their credit card in hand, ready to buy from you. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on a lot of that content that we're going to be creating. Okay, make sense? Now, and again, be consistent. Be very consistent. Now, to kind of give you an example, so as you can see here, let me turn my camera around. I'm looking at my YouTube channel here, right? And what I'm going to do here, let me go ahead and log in here. Well, I'm actually logged in. Let me go ahead and show you something here. So I'm going to click on, I'm going to go into my YouTube studio, and I'm going to show you something here. I'm going to go to videos, and when I go to videos, I'm actually gonna go, let's just go to this video. This is one of my latest ones. If I click on that, now, as you can tell, guys, here, you know, how we made 17,000 in 30 days. And if you look, here's a title here. And of course, here is the actual link, you know, and this link can change from time to time if I'm trying to do different things or what have you. But as you can tell, there's information in the comments here, and you can see some of this information if you look below this. If you actually look below, you know, this video, you'll see these comments and everything here as well. So here, let me turn my camera around as you're looking at the screen capture here. So when people check out a lot of my videos, I'm always giving them a strong call to action to go to whatever the offer is, if that makes sense. But I want them to see me first, right? I don't want to just send people straight to a capture page. I want them to see something from me first. I want to welcome them into my world first, okay? And when they watch this video here, right, I'm going to give them a call to action, which will direct them to where they need to go when it comes to whatever the offer is, if that makes sense. That's really what you want to do, and that's really how you really win, you know, big time when you're marketing online. Here, let me fix my camera here. And as you can tell, guys, this isn't a perfect video. I'm not trying to make a perfect video. I'm just trying to give you guys the insight on what you need to do and how you can really, you know, make things happen so you can really win pretty big when it comes to marketing online. So, all right. So, okay. All right. Sorry about that, guys. So again, as you can tell, it's not a perfect video. I'm not trying to make a perfect video. I'm just trying to make a point of what you need to do if you really want to make a difference in your business, in your life for 2019. We got 12 months to make some things happen, okay? Whatever, you know, failures you experienced in 2018, guess what? It doesn't matter now, okay? This is day one. You can do it. Whatever your dreams are, whatever your goals are, whatever you want to do, this is the year that you're going to experience breakthrough. And what's going to get you there faster than any other method, than any other offer or whatever, is the ability for you to win friends and influence people by building your brand. Okay? You got to build your brand, and the best way to get there faster is making video content. So if you want to be in a totally different position than where you were at in 2018, I don't know what your position was on December 31st, but if you want a total transformation in 2019, December 31st, 2019, I dare you to make a video every single day for 90 days and beyond. Watch what happens to your business. Watch what happens to your life. Watch what happens to your profits. Watch what happens, period, if you're consistently doing it. Making videos, sharing your videos, and also being consistent. Comment below, subscribe below, like this video. I'm telling you guys, you make sure you subscribe because I got a lot of great training on how to make video content. That's what this channel is going to be about. That's what it's really about anyway, is how to make money online using videos. Okay, I'm going to show you a lot of cool ways on how you can really build your brand, make some killer content. We're going to be having some basic things. We're going to be having some intermediate things. We're going to be having some advanced strategies and methods and different tools and resources and how to edit and what cameras to use and lights to use and microphones and all. I'm going to be doing a lot of stuff. This is just January 1. So you want to make sure you subscribe. You definitely want to make sure that you check out everything. Now, if you want to see some of the different things that we offer, some of the different things that we're a part of, that's really helping us to win financially online using videos and YouTube, you know, check out the description below, check out all the different links and everything, and you'll see some things that you can use, that you can participate in, that can help you to create some cash flow, okay, to help you to win, right, to help you to get there. Remember, but remember this, remember, we all are at different places, okay? We all have different experiences and different skill sets, okay? So you want to be realistic with yourself and notice and know this. For some, it's just gonna take time, because we're gonna have to do some work with you, right? And I'm gonna be able to help you. So if you're plugged in on this channel, you're gonna have a lot of help. You're gonna have some support that can really help you to win. So hey guys, that's all I got. Those are 3 different ways. Let me close it out by saying Happy New Year. It's 2019. Let's make it count. Let's dominate in 2019. Let's make a change. Let's change a lot of people's lives. Let's change your life, and let's take you to the top. Hey guys, that's it. That's it for now. Check you guys out on the next video. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Peace out.